these are the grains that we sieved out previously here in the container, as you can see. We'll take some from this jar. We're going to put them in this, it's a standard grain mill that you can buy on eBay or anywhere else. This one is quite old actually, but you see it just grinds the grains. We don't put too many in at a time, and they just come through, get really close. You can see that I'm actually just crushing them really. I'm not grinding them to a fine powder at this point. I'm going to put a little bit in at a time, otherwise it gets very stiff and hard to turn the handle if you have too much in. I've got a bit much in now. Okay, so there we go. And you can see the grains coming out nicely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them through again, basically. I'm going to put these through again for a second time because I haven't got the adjustment quite right yet as to, this is the first time I'm actually doing buckwheat in this machine. So I've got to mess around with it a bit till I find the right setting on the on this thumb wheel here, so we get the right size of flour that we want, because we're still getting some big pieces here. I think these are the actual husk, so I think what's happened is we've taken the husk off. But so what I need to do, I'm going to put this through a sieve afterwards and sieve out the husk. So I don't want the grains to be too big because they won't go through the sieve. So it's a matter of finding out the right setting for your instrument, your grinding tool here. There's a lot of different grinders you can get. You can get electric ones, you can get, you know, the old fashioned stone ones. Not so easy to get these days, those ones in England. Probably you get them in India maybe, where it's just a couple of stones and you wind it round by hand, put the grains in between, put a hole in the middle. But this one's what we've got today, and it's doing quite a nice job. Once I've done all these grains, we'll filter it out a bit more through the sieve. Okay, that's enough for now.